is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Good morning, noon Central Standard Time. We had a little more weakness here than I was wanting. I mentioned yesterday, so I just want to come in and update. I did mention that if we gave away, we could come down to the 7,700 level. And we have done that. That was kind of previous support here. And also you can show the 0.382 retracement of the wave 3 from the pink 2 to the pink 3. So right now we're 7,800. So I think the low, we possibly could have already made the low of the pink 4, which means now we're looking for a rally to the pink 5. That's the Elliot wave, obviously. On Wyckoff, my software is working daily, but on the intraday, we're getting those issues fixed. I'm looking forward to be done the next day, day and a half. But as before, we really didn't have anything telling us that the wave 3 high was anything but a normal corrective high, and I was looking for this wave 4. So I think things are still good with Wyckoff, and Bitcoin could try to work higher from here. As you all know, the other altcoins are getting decimated again today, down anywhere from 2 to 10% kind of. Here's Bitcoin Cash, still not looking too bad. Dash down over 7%, coming a little bit deeper. I hadn't marked the wave 2 earlier, so not sure if we can still call that a 1-2, but I think possibly. Classic still holding that uptrend line that I've showed, so no issues there, I don't believe. Ethereum down 5%. I'd show the wave 2 coming down. It really should have took out this low, which now it's done. So we could still call that a 1-2. Again, these could be diagonal triangles, something. So some of these coins are not clean here. Litecoin down to 78. Same thing. Everything's got a little bit deeper. So 1-2, 1-2s will still work. But you know, on these, we really got to say the lows are in, definitely on Bitcoin down there. And the 78.30 now that we're at is going to lead us higher. NEO 30.56. I was showing more of a triangle type pattern here. So probably would stretch it out a little bit more. But that chart definitely is not as bullish, but we could rally here and run up and make this C wave. And also there's a way of counting this triangle is already completed, and we're coming down to make a final low. So NEO not nearly as strong as some of the other coins that we normally watch. Here's Ripple, came back down to its low there at 42, not doing well at all. OMG breaks down again. Now this looks like a triangle down here, which if it's the case, then this could be the final impulse lower. So maybe OMG can try to put in a low here as well for this move down from the 21 plus. We got ADA, 14.5. There I still like the looks of this chart, so I think that one's okay. Let's go over a few more here. DigiByte down 5.84%. Chart in general still looks pretty good. Has taken out an uptrend line that I had listed here, but otherwise it's holding up very well considering. Made's another one that I mentioned. Kind of liked it yesterday at 44. And they said it could drop down to 40, but I think that's one that's interesting here. Let's go back to the 4-hour. And show some Wyckoff accumulation here. Back at resistance, but I think here we could pull back and get a last point of support and then finally break through the highs there. Then let's go through a few more here. Stratus USD down 8.63%. Not doing much there. No real strength. XLM USD down 4.63%. That one still looks very good. I like the way that looks, breaking through resistance. I think that's one that could lead us higher. Zen 2712 still holding in well. If you're in the right coins here, some of them aren't doing too bad. And then the ZRX, still friendly on that. Came down to below that 105 level again, now back to 109. So I like the way that's acting. So once again, Bitcoin 7830. Hold on a second, let's kind of spread this out a little bit. So again, off the lows for Elliot wave, I think we're trying to do 5 waves up. We've done the 1, 2, 3, 4 in pink. A great place to hold in right here at 8,700 and make a move to new highs again. So that's what I'm looking for. Have a great day. See you in about 6 hours with the Hitman helmet.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.